Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a math lover, this video will level up your graph game.
Hi guys, I want to show you the easiest way to get this function. First of all, I will get y1 equal to square root of x. We're just gonna plug in a square number to make it easier. So if I plug in 0 here, I'm gonna have 0. If I put 1 in x here, square root of 1 give me 1. If I put x equal to 4, then square root of 4 give me 2. And we know that we cannot square root a negative number. So this function will be increased slowly like that. So let's join everything together here. And then let me do it again here. And then if you minus 2 to this function, you just shift everything on the right hand side by 2 units. So now I have the function go like this. So the second step is I will get y2 equals to square root of x minus 2. And we know that y2 is the same shape as y1. But if we minus 2 to x, we need to shift the graph to the right hand side by 2 units. And the final graph is this one here. I will get the graph of the y2 reciprocal. So whatever value you have for y2, you just will flip it over. We know one thing, y equals 0, and we cannot divide 1 by 0. So this is the line we cannot cross. 1 divided by 1, you have 1. And when y2 equal to 2, you flip it over, you have a half. And then you can see your graph gonna go through this point and this point over here. And as you can see, when the value of the denominator getting larger and larger, it's gonna be approaching to 0 here. And if the value of y2 getting bigger, and when you reciprocal a large number, you're gonna have a very tiny number, a positive small number. So it's gonna approaching to x right here. And as you can see, when the number approaching 0, when y2 approaching to 0, let's say you have a very tiny number like 0.01, and then you do reciprocal 1 over 0.01, you're gonna have 100. So y2 getting closer and closer to 0, and when you reciprocal it, you have a huge number. So it's gonna go like this. Sorry, this is my bad. It should not touch 0. And then over here it's go like that, approaching to this asymptote, but never touch this line and never touch 0. That's what it's supposed to be. And thank you very much for watching. If you find value in my content, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.